I bought some fish fillets with the skin on, and I'm going to fry them, giving them a light and crispy crust. We will enjoy them with a sweet and sour teriyaki sauce. Start by marinating the fish. Cut the fillet into fairly large pieces, so they'll hold up better during frying and they won't become dry. Furthermore, keep the skin on as once fried. It is tasty and crispy, and also helps prevent the flesh from falling apart. Chop 1 clove of garlic. Put it with the fish. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. The ginger flavor goes perfectly with fish. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Gently mix. Keep aside. Now, prepare a light butter. In a mixing bowl, put 45 grams of rice flour, 45 grams of potato starch for crispiness, and 15 grams of all-purpose flour for a little consistency. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add the 10 centiliters of water. Mix. We get a smooth batter. Now, we prepare a sweet and sour teriyaki sauce. In a small saucepan, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. We accentuate the vinegar to get a sweet and sour flavor, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix. Then put over medium-low heat for 7 minutes. Stir from time to time. We see bubbles forming, the sauce thickening. Cut the fire. Now we can fry the pieces of fish. Mix the batter. Put it over the fish. Gently mix so that all the pieces are covered. It will form a protective layer during frying, so the pieces will keep their flavor and tender texture. Put the pieces of fish in the oil at 150 degrees Celsius over medium heat. Proceed in half to avoid a drop in temperature. Make sure that the pieces don't stick together. Let them fry for 5 minutes. Stir from time to time. Take them out. To get very crispy pieces, put them back in the oil for another minute. This time at 180 degrees Celsius over high heat. Take them out and leave them on the rack. We like eating them with short grain rice. Now drizzle the fish and rice with teriyaki sauce. I like to sprinkle on some chimichurri. Bon appétit! The sweet and sour teriyaki sauce surprisingly accentuates the taste of the fish. is really delicious. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.